Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Did you know that I started selling some of my craft items on the For You Creator website page that the beautiful Chris at Budgeting Just Because created? I'll link that channel in the description box. So yeah, I have an Etsy shop, but at some point I want to kind of get away from Etsy because they have so many fees. But for right now, I'll keep them both. So yeah, I've only listed my bank teller slips right now, just to get started. But I'm working on some beautiful glitter pens, but these are not for sale because I messed these up because I didn't sand them good enough. So I'll be keeping these. But yeah, that'll be the next item I'll be featuring. This is another one I did. So the thing about it is when you do the glitter pen, they're supposed to be smooth. You shouldn't feel any bumps. So I got to work on that. Trial and error. And this one, now this one is pretty smooth. A few imperfections, so yeah, just trial and error, just working out the kinks. So another thing is I went ahead and used some glitter that I already had, which was some glitter from the Dollar Tree, of course. So I have to get a more expensive glitter also. So I'm over here just figuring things out. So of course I wouldn't sell anything that was, of course you're gonna have some imperfections because it's handmade, but when it's obvious, I'm not gonna sell them. So that's what I'm working on. So I hope you guys will support me on my site. So I'll link the site in the description box. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, we're gonna be tracking my spending from November the 12th through the 18th. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me just go ahead and tell you, I did not have any no spend. So evidently this is Mrs Vee's spending season because usually I have a no spend by now, but I don't know, I'm just living my best life. But good thing about it is I'm not going over budget, so I'm not gonna be so hard on myself. Each week, each day, I just try to do better. And if I don't have a no spend, oh well, like I said, at least you set the goal with the intentions to meet the goal. But this real life over here, sometimes you just don't meet it. And like I said, I'm working a traveling assignment, and you're not in the comfort of your own home or city, and you just kind of do whatever. So that's one of my disadvantages. That's not an excuse, but that's part of my problem. I'm just gonna say, because I noticed once I started traveling, I don't have any no spend. So the thing about it is I still can get serious and start back meal prepping, but it's kind of challenging. And at this point, to be honest, I really don't feel like it. So I'm just gonna keep striving to try to have some no spends. So I hope that helped some of you guys out there. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start with the 12th. Friday the 12th, my husband and I, we went out to eat, I think at IHOP, and I left a tip of $5, so that came out of my spending category. I'll link, all my categories, the color code for all my 6 categories up on the screen. And then that Friday, I think I was back at work. And from my eating out category, I think I bought a breakfast sandwich, and that was like $4. So I'm gonna put $4 right here. Black is for eating out. Then blue is for groceries. I picked up some chips out of the vending machine. I said I was gonna start taking that out of my groceries since chips, I consider that groceries. And that was like $1.50. Then I did stop by the grocery store when I got off and spent like $10 at a Piggly Wiggly. So that's a total of like $11.50 for groceries. Then that Sunday, eating out again, I picked up a breakfast sandwich at the hospital. They got a little cafe, and it was like $3. And then when I got out of work, I got a combo from Jack's, and it was like $7. So that's $10 for eating out. See, I know I really almost spent all my eating out money, $15 a week. Then blue, I picked up some more chips out of the machine. So I'm saying $1.50 for groceries. So yeah. And then that Monday, I think I brought my breakfast, but then I went downstairs and got a sandwich for lunch, and that was $5.25. Then for groceries, I went back to the snack machine and I did something else. I bought something else, which totaled $9 for groceries. And on Tuesday, I spent out the spending category. I just went crazy Tuesday. Bought a breakfast sandwich. Then I went back later and got a smoothie. Then I went back later and got some ice cream. That's $12. Yeah, it's kind of challenging when you traveling. And Wednesday, I spent $10. I was off. I was back at home and I got some Guthrie's, and then I went and got my dollar milkshake. So that was a total of $10 for spending. Then I went to the Dollar Tree and spent the $15 at Dollar Tree. And I need to put a little blue right here. I did go to the grocery store. I went to Winn-Dixie and picked up some items to make me some vegetable soup. And that's what I did. So let me put that on here for groceries. I spent $8.43 for groceries. How you guys doing with your budget? Miss Vee just over here enjoying her life. Ain't had no spin. It's gonna get better though, cause I'm gonna get back on track. I certainly am. And then the last day, Thursday, I almost had a no spin. Just had to stop by the store and pick up some Sour Patch Kids, and they were like $1.75. So I'm gonna say $2 out of spending. I almost had a no spin. Yeah. So that's what I did this week. I hope y'all had a good week. So yeah, so let's go get my wallet and see what we had left. All right, let's go. Okay, household, still had my $10 left. Didn't buy anything for household. Personal, still had that $10. So that's a total of $20 I have so far. And spending, let's see how much we have left. 10, 20, 30, 40. That's good. Let's put that back. Dollar Tree, nothing. Eating out, nothing. And groceries, we had $16. So I say $76 this week. That's okay, as long as I don't spend all of it. But if I do spend all of it, I mean, I budgeted for whatever I spent it for, so that's good too. So yeah, I just wanted to stop by and encourage you guys to track your spending if you really want to get a hold on your spending. Even though Miss Vee, kind of out of control over here, but that's okay. Remember, I say give yourself grace. In this real life, this is not a reality show. This is not scripted. This is what I'm really doing. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. So check out my site if you want to pick up one of these bank teller slips. They're only $1, and of course the shipping is free. Well, the shipping is gonna be free for anything on the site. So yeah. So that's it. This is Miss Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.